So hello and assalamu alaikum. My name is Madhav and today we are going to discuss about the formations of ions based on molecules. So we have previously learned about the formation of ions, which we had ions and cations by the two processes, which was thermolysis and solvolysis. So I have discussed all the things previously. So now we are going to discuss about the formation of ions based on molecules. So in molecules, like in formation of ions about molecules, we have molecular cation, which has the positive sign, and molecular anion, which have the negative sign. So what are these things? Firstly, we will discuss about the molecular cation. So basically, as you know that we have right now here H2O, which is non-metal. You know, hydrogen is non-metal and oxygen is also non-metal. So basically, there's I have written the nucleus. This is oxygen. Basically, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons here, as you can see in its valence shell. So whenever it is, as you can see here, like H2O means two electrons are already paired with that of hydrogen, like here and here, as you may see here and here. This one will discuss later. This hydrogen and this hydrogen is pairing with this. Okay, so when a hydrogen is willing to have a electron for the gaining of electron. Firstly, I want to tell you that in metals, electron loses, but in non-metal, electron gain. Whenever the metal loses electron, it will gain plus sign on the above section. And if a non-metal, what I say, if a non-metal gain the electron, so it will become negative sign on their upper side. So basically, if a hydrogen comes and it is kind of saying it is willing to have an electron, because it don't have electron, it has positive sign, so it will snatch their electron, like from here a pair of. Okay, so it will become H3O plus, because here you can see O has a positive sign, means O has lost one electron. Okay, it will get, I have written also here, it will get the positive sign because it will lose electron. This is E, electron. So now we have another thing, which is molecular anion, which has negative sign. So what is this? We discuss here. You may see NO. Okay, there's a N. We have four hydrogens. Okay, we have three hydrogens. Okay, and we have a formula I have written. NH3 means N1. Here is it. Here it is. H3, 1, 2, 3. These are the hydrogen and it is paired. If a hydrogen comes and it is willing to have one electron in it, because it has to take one electron, because it has positive sign and it is willing to take one electron, so it will take from here, then it will become HN4. Okay, so here you may see in this case there's another thing. In non-metal, because of the electronegativity, non-metal takes the electron of the other, like before, because of the electronegativity. So NO have the electronegativity of 3.5 and hydrogen has the electronegativity 2.1. So it has the more electronegativity, so it will combine and become like this, because it has gained the electron from the hydrogen. That's why O has the negative sign. There is also one thing. When this hydrogen try to snatch this electron, so when these electron come here, it will get the positive sign, because these will be in the middle of the hydrogen and middle of the oxygen. But in if you see in non-metals or in metals, if same kind of elements willing to have one electron, it is called sharing. We have discussed about that previously. So it will also get positive sign. It has already positive sign, so it will become any kind of reaction, then it will become H3O positive. Okay, so I hope you have understand all the things. If you have any question about that, you can just message me. I will tell you. Thank you.